Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be continuing from where we left off. In the last video, we did the head dump, and now we're going to be continuing with the Cookie Monster secret recipe challenge. So let's get started. Alright, so for this challenge, author, again, I don't want to butcher his name, I can't pronounce it. And this other person over here, that's Neo Shuti. I think it's the guy who made the last challenge. So the description says, Cookie Monster has hidden his top secret cookie recipe somewhere on his website. As an aspiring cookie detective, your mission is to uncover his delectable secret. Or how delectable is it? Can you outsmart Cookie Monster and find the hidden recipe? You can access the Cookie Monster here, and good luck. Alright, so we can just press here. Alright, so we have username and password. Let's just look at the description again. Cookie Monster has hidden his top secret cookie recipe somewhere on his website. Okay, so we're trying to find a cookie. As an aspiring cookie detective, your mission to uncover delectable secret. Can you outsmart Cookie Monster and find the recipe? Okay. I read through that fast the first time. So alright, so let's just set up proxy to capture a request and see what's going to the server. I feel like that's useful to do that now. So we're just gonna go down onto our network, use a manual proxy. Okay, and then we're gonna start up burp suit. What am I doing? We're gonna start up burp suits, and we're gonna continue. All right, so we have burp suit ready. Before we turn it on, let's just see how the site works. So let's see what happens if I type something. It says username, password, press login, and then let's see what happens. Don't bother saving. This is access denied. Cookie Monster says me no need password, me just need cookies. Okay, so it's already exposing what it wants. Hint, have you checked your cookies lately? Okay, goodbye. Okay, so basically it wants a cookie. Alright. So do we already have it? So let me look at the source code first. Even though we already have an indication where we should go. Yeah, so a request is being made to login.php. Because remember again, it's a form. It's a form, so and it's making a post request over here. So that means whatever we type, username and password, and when we press submit, we have a login value. All of that is being sent to a login.php script that runs on the server. So let's just see how the request looks like. So let's turn on the interception. Again, I'll go random, login. That's it again, cookie. Okay, so see, this is what we sent. This is the username and password that we're sending to the server. Again, I'm making a post request, and it's going to a login.php file on the server. But there's also a cookie that's being sent, and its attribute called secret recipe is this string over here, which looks like base64. So let's just confirm that. Again, so since we're already sending it, that must mean that once we press the link and came to the server already gave us the cookie. So again, so let's just turn off interception. Okay, it says it doesn't want a password, so if I just go to terminal and see if I can decode this. So I'm going to say echo, and then base64 decode. There we go. So that was quite boring. Because remember, again, I didn't do this in some time, so it's like, I don't know. Yeah, this was quite easy. But you get the basics, right? So basically what happened is, let's just put our password in since we already solved it. If I go back here, put it in here, submit, and we're done this challenge, right? Those 3 hints we didn't need to use any of those because again, I'm a boss, right? But yeah, that's basically it. So what we did was we accessed the server. Once we accessed the server, we had this username password page. And then once we tried something, it said it doesn't want a password; it wants a cookie. So that must mean that we already had the cookie, because once we checked the request that's being sent after we typed the username and password, it showed that there was a cookie that was being sent with the attribute called secret recipe, and it was a base64 string. I copied that, and then using the terminal, I basically checked, decoded the base64, and it happened to be the flag that we needed to solve this challenge. So that's basically it. Again, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I'm gonna answer all of them. Leave a like if you liked the video, and yeah, have a good day.